Hey YouTube, this is Threebos Gaming, and we're back finally, and I'm here with Threebos Elite and Threebos Omega. Say hi guys.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? I know it's been a long time since we made a video. We were kind of busy with our work, schoolwork actually. So yeah.
Not really, we were just cheating.
Alright, so what you guys want to do?
Anything.
Alright, as you guys can see, we prestige to something that, prestige 2 I guess, alright. So, I guess we'll do what?
We joined the thing that's happening.
No, I'm serious guys. What do you guys want to play?
I don't know.
SND, I guess.
So confirm, SND or what?
Oh, sure. Sure.
Okay, I guess we'll do 1 kill confirmed for now, and then we'll do SND. Yeah. So, sorry if you suck, it's been a while since we played, alright?
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, like, share, do all those good stuff, comment, all that.
You have to like your face. After? Oh, that's what it said last time.
Alright, guys. Aftermath, I guess. So. Huh?
Oh man.
Alright, I guess it's time to show someone who's the boss in the house now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh, wait, we have auto copy, right? Oh,
nope.
Quick copy.
Okay,
quick
so,
copy.
You could use the XPR.
Right, we can't quick stop. I guess. Wait, can I?
I thought it was good.
I don't got a
Oh,
sniper.
okay, we can.
I'm used to M27.
I'll use the
class,
Scorpion,
one of my
I
favorite
guess.
classes.
Oh, wait.
I gotta make it so that I have one of my favorite classes every time I prestige, I guess.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the M27 too.
Yeah.
Alright, do this.
Frag out!
Somebody killed himself.
Man, I suck right now.
We've taken the advantage.
Scorpion different.
Got him. Nice. Let's move in.
Saw explosion monster.
Yeah, got him. Hey, cover
Nice.
my 6.
I think the spawn flipped.
He went to the other side.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Oh, I bet you. I got you. Yeah.
Thanks. Alright. Hope you guys could have a good gameplay today.
Yeah. I'm doing pretty good so far.
Right now.
Grenade!
Why Alpha time?
Huh?
Relax. Alpha, you're so quiet.
Kill confirmed.
Alpha, why are you so
Kill
quiet?
confirmed.
Has any of us died yet? No. Oh, boss guy. Okay.
Kill confirmed.
I see Bob. I see Omega. Omega.
UAV on standby.
We got UAV.
Friendly counter
what's up?
UAV inbound.
He's right there.
Let's hide.
3-0.
Oh my god. I'm in their
I'm
spawn.
waiting. Whoa, where are you going, huh?
Kill confirmed.
Ooh, that got me for a second.
Oh my god, they know where I am,
Strike awaiting
Don't worry,
coordinates.
I got you. I think, come on.
I got you, lady.
Dang it, they killed
Oh,
me.
got him. Oh, I only got one, dang it.
Oh, I was 4-0. I was like going
I put
all
them
in their
so
spawn.
close
4-0.
Dang.
together. Nice. I'm 7-1 though.
I'm about to get like a sec.
Kill
I'm
confirmed.
4-1.
I just got a
5-1.
Dragonfire ready for deployment.
Dude, we're owning them.
Oh,
They're not
shit.
even collecting their tags.
Yeah, it's 26-1. Oh, I got lightning strike.
Matt.
Oh man.
Orbital B-side online.
Wow.
Nice.
Let's go!
They're
Wait.
destroying us.
Yeah.
Hostiles have destroyed your equipment.
Okay, let's just
Dude, I'm
Let's
on
just
the
beat them.
rampage with this thing.
Dang. I got magic and a dragonfire.
Oh my
Six,
god.
no.
Dude, I'm on a rampage with this.
I know.
Oh, we're destroying these kids. I'm 8-1.
Lightning
Yeah, I'll
strike
come, I'll come.
alerts received.
I'm 18
Alright.
and 1. Oh, kill.
You're
No,
18 and
one more
1?
before I. Yeah.
16 and 1, dang.
Oh, 16, sorry.
Yeah, I'm coming.
And sorry about the background noises, guys. Right now, we could barely make a video, so we just did it while we could. Man, right when I finished with the Dragonfire.
I have a dragonfire, shall I use it? I don't know,
Got it. Right when
lots
I
of people
finish my
still have it.
Dragonfire, the orbit of reset just goes away.
Oh, I got a lightning.
Really?
cannon.
Friendly
I lose
lodestar
that.
inbound.
Oh my god, I think I'm out of.
Got a Lodestar.
Not me.
Copy, Lodestar.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I don't know where I'm going. I'm going 10 and 0. I just got it.
I'm 10-1.
UAV on
I'm
standby.
17 and 1.
Dang.
UAV inbound.
Dude, we are owning these kids.
Yeah, it's pretty good for our first game.
No, remember
Hey,
guys,
let me
leave a
put
like for
dragonfire.
this.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I emptied my mag.
Oh, I ran out of ammo.
Same here.
Oh, I got
I
saved.
picked up a gun. 48 and 3, yeah. I'm kind of big.
Kind of.
Come on, I don't want to be mean.
Friendly
Look at all
MQ-27
those
Dragonfire
tags.
deployed.
I don't want to die.
Friendly
I
hunter-killer
How
drone
about-
That's
how
why I
about
hate that.
I've never used a dragonfire in a long time.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Now I remember why I loved the
Friendly
M27.
counter UAV inbound.
Oh, it's our dogs.
I don't know how to use.
Kill
I don't
confirmed.
know how to use.
Yes, Dragonfire. Alright, I'm gonna
I'm
hide.
just picking up the remainings of the dogs. Well,
Friendly RCXD inbound.
there's a airplane.
Okay. But you know how to use it. I got one.
UAV awaiting
Oh,
orders.
Nah.
Friendly UAV inbound. Kill confirmed.
Dang, dude.
MQ-27 Dragonfire deployed.
Whoa,
Wow.
orbital again.
Kill
Got it.
confirmed.
Ooh. 22 and 2.
Lightning
Not
strike
bad.
awaiting coordinates.
Dude, so many tags.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
Ah, dang it.
Think I died. 11 and 1. I got
11 and 1, nice.
Lodestar inbound.
Now the load
Load
Friendly
star.
lightning
You know
strike.
what I hate when you start doing really good?
Kill
That they
confirmed.
start quitting. I hope they don't quit. 70. Come on, let's see if we could do good. Real good. I mean, like, where they can't even get 10. Ah, teammate, you better kill him.
And
24 and 4. I gotta get to at least 30.
Oh, dude, this guy is right behind me. He never saw me. Oh, I'm so lucky.
I killed
Dude,
him.
I was using my dragon.
Kill confirmed.
You know that truck? Like, I was using my Dragonfire.
Yeah.
Like, I hid. He was right behind. He was right in front of me, and he never saw me.
Ah,
Wow. Okay.
that was an epic fail.
Elite 14 and 2. I'm 17 and 1, and Omega 25 and 5. Remember, guys, leave a like for this gameplay.
So I guess 5 kills every 1 death. About.
Yeah.
Could average it. You kill me, you get that.
oh, now I'm doing that.
Ooh, I see a DSR on the ground. I'm gonna pick that up.
Friendly canine
Oh my god.
in your AO.
Oh, I died. Dang it. 17 and 2.
Yep.
Kill confirmed.
Ah, from the back. Come on, I gotta get to 30. Come on, 30, 30. I gotta hit a 30 before I die again. I got how many kills? 26, 28?
Yeah, 28.
Okay, 2 more kills.
You guys doing really good. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, shot to the.
Oh, ownage.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta hit a 35 now.
Throwing grenade!
Ah. Okay, now I'm doing bad. I can't get that much kills.
Frag out!
Dang it, I got knifed. 20 and 3.
I got him.
Dropped him.
Nice. Take that.
Gun
tag.
down. Mission almost complete. Don't quit now.
20 and 4, dang.
Team is just.
That's out of 6
It's
KD.
right and left.
UAV inbound.
Oh no, I have a 5 KD, I believe. Double kill.
Ah, sniper. Okay,
Yes, let's go.
Okay, I'm not gonna reach my goal, dang it.
Friendly counter UAV
Still
inbound.
there? You better not
No,
be. Are you serious?
Kids-
Okay. It's alright. It's a 96 to 27.
these kids are getting
Hostile
all.
UAV above.
Shoot that.
Oh, okay.
Hostile UAV? I don't care. What are they gonna do, huh?
They ain't doing anything. I'm 25 and 4.
Mission clock about to expire.
Ah, I got killed from the back. Come on, final tag. Get that tag. Ah. Sniper.
Got it.
Nice.
Let's go. 26 and 4. Omega
Alright,
31
that
and
was a
12.
good gameplay, alright? Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, do all those good things, I guess. Make sure you keep on watching our videos. Sorry if we can't get them out, like, in time. We're a bit busy.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean we don't love you guys, but that's life, I guess. Well, thanks. Later.